Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Vegetarian Mother. In this video, we're gonna make these small variation of plants, and we're gonna be testing them. So, without wasting our time, let's get to it. We made plants previously in some videos. Previously, we made some videos, and now we're gonna make some more. So we need much variation that we like. So I'm gonna make another one with a plane and the subdivision, adding the subdivision surface, and we're gonna make this head like including the outwards and make it shaped like a trumpet from the top. Then we're gonna duplicate the element and then place it like this. Then select all and select the bottom part of every trumpet, just trumpet plant, and then place it next to it, and then move the bottom part to the center of the object of the library, and the other part, the upper part of the plant, and we give some random to it, and then name it like coral trumpet. We can color it like blue color from the color palette, or we can add another color like texturing it from in a texture, and then adding another plant. Making another plant is making it composition, loading it down, and then like adding a thin modifier to them. This will give us a really nice result. Then here comes this like change of this, then alt S, and we can duplicate it in the edit mode and create them and make as much as we want, and it looks nice to me. So first we can add a single color with the color from the color palette and add only a single color like texturing in the texture, only a single image, or we can texture it later on making a texture and multiple gradient image. Now we're gonna make this flower plant. Now geometry, take the geometry from the plant, from this plant, set it from every side, bridge them like this. We may have to set the UV from the UV layout, and then you color it again, and then place it, name it. Remember to name it in priority. Then you have to make this final flower by adding a plane and then subdivide it and store it later a long stick from it, and then color this and nice pink color, and then take the paint going to the very cursor and then duplicate it multiple times, scale it just like this, or else to keep it thin, and then scale it as much as you want, and remember to rotate them. Here in the middle, now we have a nice looking flower, and let's just safely again and do the proportionality. Here we come randomly by moving it around like this. Look from my angle, and now we have a nice looking flower with nice look. Okay. Now we have to make these like boundary color. Yes, we call it this boundary color. Then we make it like this. You add blue color in the middle, and then and then we can duplicate it as much as we can, as much as we want, and then place it on each other. Number 2, not place it on overlapping. There's a better way to do it. So first UV it, and then set the color you want, and then all the outer loop and give it another color. Then the good way to do it is to add the rock, then select all the other rocks, save this one, and save the flower a little bit, just like this. Now we have a nice looking flower like that, and everything like that. We can duplicate it and color it differently. So it's up to us how we make it. Make it two different types of these boundary coral, and then we can do as much as we want. So it's a good way and fun way to start and make flowers. Keep plants healthy. So Louis is colored and add different image texture with multiple plants, different multicolor plants, and moving them. So it will give a natural look and a nicer plant look. Okay. We can give the other plants the image texture, not a single image, the image texture, and this will be a nice and good way to consider the plant and a really good way to make our plant look realistic and natural. Now duplicate the pink box. Remember to glue and image text to the box as well. Make some now the image text to this trumpet and button UV it and some blanket UV or just some blue with boundaries. Now this gives a nice and a good looking face effect and very interesting. We can duplicate this stepped color and color it differently and give this blue from the back and green from the front and maybe a little. And now we color these spiral like this and UV it correctly so we get something really nice. After you've done anything, everything, save your work and remember to save your images. Don't replace the images from your computer or don't even change the folder of the file, image file. So it will give a blank texture to the object when we open Blender. And then we have to replace it again and again fix the UV and so on. Okay, so don't replace the file destination and just save it. Okay, this is the good tutorial of making the flower and texturing them. We can do more in that and I'll see you in them on like, subscribe to my channel. Allah.